Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the plumbing trade. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train them. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. For today, while we have a heating system drained, we're gonna be changing out a temperature and pressure gauge that's faulty. Stay tuned and we will see you inside. Okay, we are back at the radiator job on this Utica boiler, and she's still holding at 30. So we're thinking the gauge is malfunctioning. So we're going to change out this gauge when we drain the system to tighten this radiator. So that's the plan. Good morning, CB!
What's going on?
Hook up that hose, Daddy. Let's get some work done today. Oh, we're both a little tired today. Me, because I did a little surfing. Him, we don't know what he did. We're going to shut the boiler off. Boop. Turn the valve off. Hook up a hose. We're going to go over here and hook up the hose. Penn State. Righty tighty. There you go, dog. No. Good. The hose is facing in the door. Lay it out on the lawn somewhere, please. Stretch it out, baby. Oh, yeah. That's why we put the hose out of in a safe area. Go upstairs, open up a radiator. Matter of fact, put a key on each keychain. I bought 6 of them. Alright, here's the baby we gotta change out. Basically, it comes right out. What a nice well. So we're thinking that this gauge took a hit on the storm. You know, the boiler froze up, but nothing broke. I already drained the boiler for the radiator, so. Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? How do I look? Because right now I'm a little pissed off. I still love plumbing, but come on now. The system is drained. Why is it under pressure? I don't get it. Sure sounds empty to me. Well, I got this shot of me getting wet. Too bad it wasn't CB2. So now I'm going to take this out and have the valve off. I want to know why this is under pressure. And it shouldn't be. And it is. Here's what we're going to do. Now, this isn't my first rodeo. So I'm going to put the hose on the boiler drain over here. Which shouldn't matter. This should be empty. It's hooked to the friggin' return right here. So now we're going to open this up.
Unbelievable. Now here's my question. Why would that still have water when the rest of the system's empty? That's crazy. It's a one pipe system. Here's the supply. Here's the return. Right there is where we drained it. Kind of crazy. It's safe now. That was kind of crazy. Just when you thought the heater was empty, it wasn't. In today's unboxing, bada boom, look at that baby. Beautiful. Hello? Yeah.
My car gauges all keep stopping and the battery keep letting my radiator just shut off. I just have to keep shutting it off and turning it back on.
Drop it at Mr. B and bring the van. All my trucks are in the way. How long has it been?
I can still drive, I'm just, do you know what that could be?
I got no idea. How long has he been doing it?
Since I left Longport.
Okay. Drop it off at Mr. B.
Alright.
See ya. Alright, one more turn around here. Bang, nice and level. Make sure you tighten it on the well itself. Did I go around? I can't see my glasses. Oh, no, here it comes. There it comes. Nice and level, baby. Bang. PSI up top, temperature down bottom. We'll test it when we fill up the system. Alright, we're filling up. CB2's bleeding radiators. The auto feed is fine. It's shutting off at 10, 11 pounds. So our gauge is working. Check that. Our water feed is working correctly. And that's good news. Before it was up to 30 PSI. Alright, the system's full. Let's see if this thing shuts off. Getting quiet. Turn the thermostat up for me, please. The white one. There we go. Fire in the hole. Now, we're just going to make sure this temperature gauge works. It's on 70, actually 79 right now. Letting the heater run a little bit. Pressure's on 20. Alright folks, heat's up to 110. We're going to shut it down because it's getting hot in here already. And the gauge is working great.
Well, there you have it. The temperature gauge was malfunctioning. The pressure was reading wrong, and now she's all good. I did get wet. Pretty funny, huh? It happens. No big deal. And we got it done. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and thank you for your support, and we'll see you at the next one. Have a great day.